Hello everyone, it's me Sato again from Low Level Cosplay, and I'm back this year with more content like usually, and I just want to say thank you so much for the past year of support that I got from all of you on YouTube, social media, Instagram, and all the other websites. And I think it's already exactly 1 year ago since I started with cosplay tutorial content on YouTube, and it's a lot of work. Actually, that's why there's only a few videos out at the moment, but I will try to improve this as well in the future. And now I'm talking a little bit of some future projects, like we have a few Pokemon related content in the future. I think two or three characters itself, no fan arts, but actually character from the games, and something from the Disney movie Encanto is also included in it. And I'm currently working on my personal big project for this year. It's taking a lot of time. That's why there's a lot of lack of content at the moment. And I will give you a preview soon. And because I think I'm working on just this one piece for about 2 months now, and it's still not quite finished, but close. So, without further ado, I'm gonna show it, and I say thank you a lot. See you next time. Have a great day, and I'm out.